Bill McHenry, Lockheed Martin Aeronautics, Fort Worth. We're here at the Dubai 2013 show. It's a great day here in Dubai. We're featuring, of course, the Block 60 F-16 operated by the UAE Air Force. The Block 60 that we're looking at here is probably one of the most advanced F-16s in the world today. Most notably, you see the conformal fuel tanks on the top of the airplane. While those are most notably on the Block 60, they are on multiple other variants. Overall, there's about 500 F-16s operated by the regional partners here in the Middle East, in addition to the United States Air Force when they come over. F-16 program has been around for many years, but we have a lot of life in the program. The production line is continuing to produce F-16s. In addition to that, we're working on upgrades to fleets around the world. Today, we've delivered up to 1,000 kits on aircraft flying around the world today, and we're continuing that through the F-16V, which is the next generation of upgrade into the F-16.